Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? It's been a long time, I know. I've joined for a new job and it has been so busy, so I haven't gotten time to shoot much. But today I'm here with you to show how I get ready for my office and also share with you my tips and tricks on how to look fashionable. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. We have to head to work. I thought, why not show to you guys how I get ready. Let's start my routine. So firstly, as you all know, I moisturize my skin, and moisturizer that I'm going to be using today is from Bath and Body Works. It's known as Thousand Wishes. So I'm a normal skin type, so the moisturizer that I choose doesn't matter. But if your skin tends to be oily or like a dry one, it's better to consult the derm and choose your moisturizer. Now that our skin is all moisturized, let's apply some lip balm. So this is the lip balm I use. It's from the brand kohl. So this is like a birthday gift that I got off Sephora. This is a slightly tinted one, so it gives a color. So I'm applying a bit on my lips so that it stays moisturized. So this is my base skincare. Now that our moisturizer is all set, I have incorporated a new skincare product into my. It's from the brand called Ordinary. It's a niacinamide serum. So this is like a brightening serum. So this is for the days you look tired or maybe like you have puffy eyes and stuff. This instantly works. So I tested this for like a month or two right now. It's working well on me and it's giving me a glass-like glow, like a Korean glass skin. By the time the serum that I put on marinates into my skin, let's move into our eyes. So as I'm going to office, I'm not gonna do much to my eyes, but I'm just gonna curl my lashes, put on some mascara and some kajal as well. So that's what I do on a daily basis. So let's curl my lashes really quick. Now that we have curled our lashes, I'll move into our mascara. This is the mascara I'm gonna be using today. This is a mascara by Benefit. It's called Bad Girl Bang. So this is a volumizing mascara. So I always make sure that my lashes are fuller whenever I go out because that's my thing right now. So yes, let's pop on some mascara and then just apply it to my lashes. Just make sure to fan it out and make sure that you put on a good amount of mascara. Let's get into putting on some concealer onto my face. So this is the concealer. I'm gonna be using today. It's by Tarte. It's a Shape Tape Radiant one and I'm in the shade 35H. I got this a month ago and I've been using this for a month now and it has given me great coverage. So this is the medium to full coverage concealer, so you do not have to put on any extra foundation or anything. I just put on this one on the spots that I feel that I have to conceal it or brighten it up. Concealer is basically something that you put on into your face when you want to brighten the areas of your face where you look a bit tired. So eyes are the one thing that I love to be highlighted, so that's why I focus more on eyes. Now that we are done with our concealer, I apply the blemish free eraser as well. This from Maybelline and I'm in the shade 100. Gives a brightened look So this is not mandatory, the concealer would suffice, but I just apply it so that the makeup stays on for a longer time. The makeup has to stay for a longer time because I meet with a lot of people and I have to look presentable. So next, let's go on to the blush. So today I'm going to be working with two kinds of blush. So this is the first one. This is a stick blush by Makeup by Revolution. Let's blend all this out. So I've gotten quite a few questions on how I choose my outfits for the day. So I've been posting a lot of outfits of the day videos and photos. I basically choose my outfits based on what my mood is, that's the truth, but mostly I go for business casual, so that's my vibe kind of for office. I do casuals as well, like crop tops or maybe like t-shirts and jeans. So I basically wear skirts, dresses, and jeans, and also straight leg pants to my work. So I choose for colors like beige, white and black. I do not do much of pop of color except for dresses that I wear. Mostly the most colorful part of my dressing would be the part where I dress myself up in an actual dress. That's where I go colorful. Now that I blush is all said, let's move on to the second blush that I mentioned. And guys, so this is a new blush. I've not even opened this. I'm gonna try it out for the first time with you guys. So this is a blush by Tarte and I'm in the shade pink. So this is a pink blush. So I've heard a lot of reviews of this blush. Basically like a Barbie pink kind of blush. So it gives a shine to your face. That's what I've heard. I'm so excited. Oh my god, look at the packaging. It's so cute. Let's just open it. Okay, so this is how it looks. So we have to dab it onto our skin like so. So this is subtle blush. This is just gonna give a shine to your face. You guys know I have already concealed my eyes, so I'm gonna put on some eyeshadow, a subtle one. So I'm not gonna do much. So I'm just gonna apply this pink shade right here. This is, so I take a little bit on my finger and then apply it onto my eyelids just to give it a color and a flash. So this is something that I do to match to my blush so that every part of my face looks proportional. So yes, this is the only thing I do to my eyelids. So this is the kajal I'm going to be using today. This is the kajal by Sugar Cosmetics. This is gonna be my look. So now that most part of my face is completed, let's move on to my lips. Today I'm thinking of going for a pink tone. This is the lipstick I'm gonna be using today. This is by MAC Cosmetics. So this is like a pinkish red tone. So this is gonna give a pop of color. You have to dab the product onto your lips bit by bit so that the product doesn't look overpowering and yet it looks subtle. So that's how you go with a bold red lip. This is the final look, you guys. Now that we have completed my makeup, let's set all of this with a setting powder. So the setting powder that I'm going to be using today is from Maybelline. This is a Super Stay 24 hours setting powder. So I'm in the shade 24H. So today I have decided to go for a red lip. So this what I'm wearing, but I feel like I should do a little more extra because I've gone really subtle with my eyes. So I'm gonna be introducing you to this amazing products that I've been dreaming about. I got my hands. So I'm gonna be introducing you to this amazing products that I've been dreaming about. I got my hands on the Plum Castle, you guys. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the big lip plum castle. This is a plumping lip gloss. So this is gonna give your lips a shine. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful packaging. I've been trying to make my lips look more glossier than matte, so I keep shifting my styles of lipsticks. So sometimes I want to look glossy, so this is like a nude pink glossy one. So whichever lipstick you put on as a base, you can put this on top of it, and make sure that you put a right amount. If you want the red to be highlighted, put a little amount of this. So I'll show you how I put this on. See, this has a good color. So if you want this red to shine, just put a little red on your lips like this and go like this. Can you see it? This gives a tingly effect onto your lips when you apply it, but don't you worry, it's not gonna make your lips look super plump. It's just gonna make sure that your lip looks fuller and hydrated. Now that I'm done with my makeup, I will quickly show you my outfit. This is the dress I am wearing today. So it has a knot detailing right here, floral detailing on it. It goes all down. It is a midi dress, so it is office appropriate. So if you're a person who's conscious to flaunt your arm, make sure that you pop on a crop jacket. I've paired it up with a belt. So always make sure that when you're wearing a flowy dress, add an element which has a golden detailing or a silver detailing. So my skin tone is more adaptive to gold, so I choose for everything that's gold. So gold jewelry, gold accessories, gold bags like chains, the chains that the bag has, it has to be gold for me. And this is gonna be my bag that I'm gonna be taking to the office today. Like this, and you're ready to go. I hope you like my dress. So yes, that's the dress I'm gonna be wearing, and that's the bag I'm gonna be pairing it up with. So now that we are done with our skincare, makeup, showing my outfit, now let's move on to my body care routine really quick. So this is the body care that I do. I apply this roll-on deodorant. I apply this this is the roll-on that you put on your underarms. So you have to apply it in this motion right here so that it goes evenly into your underarms. So like so. This one, you guys, trust me, it stays all day long. So the jewelry that I have is in this box right here. So I got this jewelry organizer of Shein. I'll show you guys this organizer. So this is how it looks. It's a bit messy. So this is where I keep my jewelry. This is the earring that I'm gonna be wearing today. All detailing. So yes, let's just pop this on. So beautiful. Oh my god. So this is the bracelet I'm gonna be going with. This has a blue stone in it. Let's just pop this right on. Yes, so this is the one. I'm almost ready to go. Now that I'm all set to go, let's apply some perfume. So this is the one that I'm gonna be using today. This is a body mist by Victoria's Secret. This is really good for the days you want to smell fresh. I apply some to my hair as well. I hope I have a happy. Yes, you guys, so this is it for my today's video. So I've gotten ready and it's almost time to go. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and make sure you like and comment too. And I'm so overwhelmed by the support you guys have been giving me. So I'm heading to work right now. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.